Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cordless jigsaws available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have DeWalt Cordless Jigsaw. It has all-metal lever action keyless blade change. That allows for quick and easy blade changes of the cordless jigsaw. It has 4-position orbital action, provides control of cut quality and speed for the jigsaw tool. It has adjustable dust blower, keeps line of cut clear of chips. The variable speed trigger provides up to 3,000 strokes per minute to easily adjust speeds during cutting, and 4-position orbital action for wood cutting. At number 6 we have Works Cordless Jigsaw. The Works WX543L jigsaw has an orbital mode for those tough reciprocating tasks, as well as a variable speed trigger for precise control in both modes. It also has variable speed for controlled cutting on various materials. The jigsaw is powered by our efficient 20 volts max lithium battery and is part of the 20 volts power share platform. That lets you share batteries among multiple 20 volts tools, saving you time and money. At number 5 we have Ryobi Cordless Jigsaw. The higher the setting, the faster you can cut into wood. These higher settings are ideal for making straight cuts into lumber, with lower settings for making curves or cutting into metal. This feature on the tool will help you clear debris away from your work, giving you clear vision. If your jigsaw blade is wearing out, you can drop the base of the tool to let you utilize the unused blades on your tool. That's improving the longevity of your accessories. At number 4 we have black+decker Cordless Jigsaw. This precision cutting gets a high power boost with the black+decker Smart Select 5.0 amp electric jigsaw. This new curve control technology lets you adjust the saw's orbit in one of 4 customized settings for your specific projects. While the variable speed motor generates up to 3000 SPM of cutting power, the adjustable shoe provides a stable cutting platform and can be adjusted to make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. At number 3 we have Bosch, it featuring internal precision control with precision machine plunging system. The Bosch JS470 EB barrel grip jigsaw comes complete with a low vibration mechanism for enhanced accuracy. It has ergonomic body features and upfront soft grip handle for maximum control, precision and comfort. The variable speed dial sets the operating speed for what works best for your task. At number 2 we have black+decker Cordless Jigsaw. The 7.2 volts cordless compact jigsaw performs both straight and curved cuts quickly and accurately on a variety of materials. It has keyless blade changes, let you switch between cutting positions with ease, while the lithium-ion battery retains its charge for up to 18 months. The black+decker LP's 7000 lithium-ion compact saw is a versatile cordless saw ideal for quick straight cuts or accurate curved cuts in a variety of materials. At number 1 we have Craftsman Cordless Jigsaw. This Craftsman V20 20 volts max cordless variable speed jigsaw delivers precision in a wide range of applications. The 3 orbital settings adjust cut aggressiveness for a clean and accurate cut in a variety of materials. The beveling shoe pivots to 45 degrees for angled cuts. The lightweight design and comfortable grips helps to reduce user fatigue. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best cordless jigsaws for your need.